Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the wicker stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, how to make the fur stitch, and how to make the front post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Then make 2 chains. Then into that same chain with that double crochet you had just made, make another double crochet. So all together in that 4th chain is going to be a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Now we're going to get into our sequence for this row. Skip 3 chains. Into this next one, you're going to make that same thing, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. And then you'll start repeating, skip 3 chains into this next one, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one. All together you're going to make that double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, double crochet, chain 2, then double crochet, all in that same chain. So same thing when you get to the end of your row, you'll skip these 3 chains, make a double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet into this last chain. But then you'll also make another double crochet into this last chain. And that is going to match these chains at the beginning of our row over here. So everything's going to match on both sides. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. You're going to skip the first stitch. We're only going to be working into previous chain spaces across until we reach the last chains of this row. So you're going to be moving over to this first previous chain 2 space, and we're going to be making the same thing that we made in our last row, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into this space. So there's a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Now you're just going to do this across into this next chain 2 space, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Next chain space, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Next chain space, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Next chain space, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. Next chain space, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. When you reach the end of this row, you're going to have some chains left over here. Work 1 double crochet into the top of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet, so we'll be skipping over this first stitch. This row is where we're going to bring in the front post double crochets. So over this next double crochet, so we're skipping this one, over this next one of this previous V stitch, you're going to make a front post double crochet. Now into the center of this V stitch, you're going to make a double crochet, chain 3, and double crochet all into that center space. So that's what we're looking at so far. We have that front post V stitch with 3 chains. Then over this next double crochet of this previous V, you're going to make a front post double crochet. That is how everything is looking. So you're going to continue from this first front post double crochet. Over this next double crochet right here of this next V, you're going to make a front post double crochet. In the center of this V stitch, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet all together in that space. Then over this next double crochet, front post double crochet. Moving on to the next V stitch, over this double crochet, make a front post double crochet. Into this chain space, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet all into this space together. Over this next double crochet, this previous one, make a front post, double crochet over it. And that's how things are looking so far. Moving on to this next V-stitch, over this next double crochet, make a front post double crochet. Into the center chains, or the center space of this V-stitch, make a double crochet, chain 3, and double crochet. Then over this next previous double crochet in the same V-stitch, make a front post double crochet over that stitch. Moving on to the next one, front post double crochet, into the center space, double crochet, chain 3, and then double crochet all into that center space. Then another front post double crochet. Then over this last V, front post double crochet over that next double crochet, into this center space, double crochet, chain 3, and double crochet. Then over this double crochet right here, you're going to do a front post double crochet. Then once you get to the end of your row, you're going to have some chains left. These chains were acting as a double crochet, so into the top of these chains, you're going to make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the wicker stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.